Okay, so incomplete sentences. They're a thing out there. So a complete sentence has to make sense using a subject and verb. Subject and verb, quite important. So sometimes verbs don't need an object to make sense. So a verb can be by itself in a sentence. Okay? But most sentences need one. Most sentences need an object. Because remember, subject is who does the action. Verb is the action. Verb, the action. And object is what or who gets the action. Yeah, or even subject is who or what or who does the action. Who gets the action? Who receives the action? Adrian taught a lesson. Adrian taught a lesson. Makes sense. Adrian, subject, verb, lesson, object. So, where is? How are? Incomplete. They need subjects. How is? Well, how is what? How is what? We need an object. How is the lesson? How is the weather? How is the tea? How is the food? How is the car? How is the travel? How? Where is what or who? Or even who even again who? How is she? How are they? Yeah, where is it? Where's the book? Where's the light? Where's the door? Where's the floor? Where's the car? Where's the phone? Where's my glasses? Where's my clothes? Where's my headphone? Everything. Anything, really. Anything. Where's this? Where's that? Where's the camera? There we are. Much better. So need a subject to know what we're talking about. Who gets the action? Who gets the action, but what's it talking about? However, verbs by themselves don't always need a subject. Either the subject, I, is here, or the verb does not need one to make sense. So I walked. I walk to the shop. If you just say I walk, it makes a sentence. Yeah, or run. What do we do? Run. By having just a verb by itself, you can create a single word sentence, verb. Some verbs don't need a subject or object to make sense. Run, walk, talk, listen, anything, smile, laugh. Laugh. Depends on the context, where they are, what's happening, and who's talking to who's saying it, things like that. But some verbs don't need a subject or object to make sense. Walk, run, talk, walk, and beyond. So even though they appear to be an incomplete sentence by having one word, they actually do make sense. Run, write, listen, speak, walk, run, go, 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 makes sense, go to the shop, yeah, okay, go to the shop with her, yeah, makes sense. But go by itself makes sense. Yeah. How cool is that? So you can make a one-word sentence, literally just a verb, and it makes sense. Other than that, we generally need subject, verb, object. Where is, how are to make sense. Where is what? How are who? Incomplete sentences. They need completing. How cool is that, Language Explorers? Let's keep exploring.